Hi, I'm Ed Ferris, one of the owners of Burrells Jewellers, and I wanted to talk to you today about Omega watch guarantees. And rather than me, who better than to talk about it than Helen, our watch manager in Winchester. Welcome, Helen.
Hi.
I understand there are 3 different guarantees with Omega. Could you explain the 3 different ones that they offer?
So the warranties differ ultimately by the length of time that they cover. They do 2-year, 3-year and 4-year. Ultimately, it is dependent upon the internal movement of the watch will define how long the brand covers the watch for.
Right, okay.
For example, on the table here, we have 4 watches. We have the original Speedmaster Moonwatch. This watch comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Next one along, we have the Seamaster Professional, which has a 3-year warranty.
Right.
The major difference between the two is you're moving from a manual wind into an automatic.
Okay.
So this is a coaxial chronometer, which is a movement that is specialised by Omega. They have full faith in their movement, hence the additional year on the warranty. In recent years, they have grown that movement even more, and it's an even more refined movement, therefore have given it even longer.
Wow. Okay.
So you now have a 4-year warranty on these 2 particular movements. We have a gents Aquaterra and a ladies Aquaterra. The warranty itself, regardless whether it is on the manual wind Speedmaster or the ladies Aquaterra, the warranties always cover the internal workings of the watch. So they don't cover any external parts, they don't cover the glass or the bracelet, but they will cover anything to do with the functionality of the watch. So your timekeeping, your power reserve, etc.
Okay. And is there anything that people would need to do if they, in order to keep the guarantee valid?
Not with Omega. Basically, take care of your watch.
Yes.
If Omega deem that the watch has been put under extra pressure or it has been knocked or dropped, and you return the watch under that warranty period, you have null and voided your warranty.
Right, okay.
They will not do any repairs free of charge if they deem that it has been caused by accidental damage.
And if I was to buy an Omega watch here in Burrells, do I need to bring it back here for any repair work?
You don't have to. It is an international warranty. So yes, we would love to look after you in the first instance, but if you are only here for the weekend and you are from elsewhere in the UK, or in fact you move abroad in the duration of your warranty period, any agency around the world should be able to look after you with the watch and with the warranty card.
Fantastic. Sounds like there's a lot of variety in Omega watches, so if anyone had more questions about their guarantees or the watches themselves, how can they get in touch with you?
So they can contact me through my personal email here at the store, which is helencardoso@burrells.co.uk, which is CARDOSO.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for listening to our video about Omega guarantees. As you can see, there's some variety to it, so you may have some further questions which Helen or myself can answer if you'd like to. Thank you very much for listening.